Hi folks, how you doing? Hope you can see me because I've got the sun in my eyes and I can't see shit, so I really don't know what's going on. Anyway, I wasn't actually going to record this, but I've had to wait a little while. But yeah, I'm going to pay a deposit on a unit. I'm currently in the middle of nowhere. Bella, get here! Just letting my dog out for a walk for a minute while I'm waiting for the chap to turn up. I say turn up, it's over the road, but I mean, you've got to have a look at this. So yeah, beautiful, absolutely fucking beautiful English countryside here, and then a dog and a van. Bella, stop eating the grass. Bella, what the why? Stupid dog. So yeah, I'm waiting for the chap to give me a call. Let me know when he's back. I'm just sort of mooching around at the minute, sort of chilling out. I'll try and get a video of driving up the lane. I'm not going to show you where the unit is, obviously, because you know, security and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Clean and tidy. Oh, it's beautiful. Like I said, I will put a video up of the old place, because yeah, that was annoying. So I'm going to be going in there to start with. I'm trying to reverse. So I'm going in there to start with, but then the new unit is going to be through them gates and then round the back. Well, that's it. I've paid the deposit. I've got the key. I'm in tomorrow. So I can't show the unit today because the outside door, he hasn't got a key for me. He needs to get it cut. But I've got the inside key. Yeah, so we'll be in there tomorrow. I'm going to start getting the CCTV up and everything else. So, DG Retro Customs has a fucking unit again. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm fucking buzzing my fucking tits off. Yeah, absolutely fucking buzzing. Absolutely fucking buzzing. I mean, it's going to be tight. I can't get everything in, can't do everything, but you know, at least I'm back in the workshop, not in my fucking living room. So again, please help me out, because there's going to be another unit being built that I need more money for. Please help me out on Teespring. Please help me out on Patreon. Please help me out with donations. Teespring store, you know, it's merch. You know, I've got t-shirts, I've got cups, mugs, hoodies, all sorts of shit in all sorts of different colours. Please help me out, because we're now going to be on it. You know, I've got cars to do, I've got my own cars to do. Just please, seriously help me out, because otherwise we ain't going to do it. Yeah, this is it for today's vlog, and I will be back tomorrow doing the CCTV, and I can show you inside. Much love. Catch you later. Bye.